Take a look at the bottom board of my young hive. Just looked at hive number 2, the big hive, and it was polluted with VARROA, dead on the bottom. I see a couple of them right in there with their shiny little backs. There's other debris that, like there's definitely one right, where's my finger? Right there is one. Shiny little bastards. Not a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up here there's quite a few. Right towards the front of the middle frame. Probably about 10 of them right in there. Another 10. So probably about 50. Dang. This is I've done 4 treatments, so I gotta wait another day and I'm gonna do another treatment. I noticed a whole lot of little babies coming out of the hive, so I think we had a lot of brood open up and hatch, and obviously there's a bunch of VARROA in there. If you want to see more in depth, rather than 1/3 of the content with a vertical stream, go check out the 16 by 9 vertical or horizontal streams.